Want to learn about this topic? Keep watching. Today we're going to dive into how you can get free 50 Instagram highlight cover and how to create them. Some of these will probably surprise you. Log into the Canva dashboard. Search for an Instagram story. Honestly, you can use any custom size. Here I am using Instagram story. 2 ways to create Instagram covers with Canva free version and with Canva Pro. First, we will learn with Canva free version. Select the background color of your choice, or if you have a brand color then that would be great. Now add elements of your choice. Search elements by using keywords. I write a detailed article about this link in the description box. Add an element at the center of the layout. To enhance this, you can add text also. Let's move to the second option now. Create using the Canva Pro version. Search element Instagram highlight circle, and you will find many beautiful options here. Select any. And add to the center of the Instagram story layout. Add awesome elements, and create awesome highlights for your Instagram profile. I have created 50 Instagram highlight covers for you all, and you will get them for absolutely free. I will link down the details below.